Now, this is exactly what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. Once the market opens, let's take a look at what markets will likely do. But first and first, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, this is our trade on Swiss franc JPY. As you can clearly see, we are in an uptrend move on Swiss franc JPY. Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. Now, this is our first high that Swiss franc JPY did give us, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form another higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now, markets eventually push up again to form another higher high. So this week, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us an higher low. But right now for Monday, right, we should be expecting market to give us a pullback. So whatever you would want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, expect your pullback. If you are not yet in a buy, the best you do not take the buy right now. Wait for market to give you a pullback before you start looking for a buy. So above all, a pullback is what you should be expecting next. Just in case there's going to be any changes to this moment, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about the changes. So subscribe and follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.